could get awkward because we're in a mechanic shop.
Thrilla Nation.
Oh, Kong don't care, baby. Dropping the Jeep off, couple recalls, and get her fixed up. There she is behind us. Oh, let's go. Then we're off the edge. Get
Conditioning, the premier spot.
Get this lifty in. Then it's off to Binghamton for this guy, giving a seminar on how to fuel your body like a Ferrari. Let's get after it. That's our guy right there. That's our guy.
He's full of energy.
Energy bursting. Just got to the gym. Kong, how'd you like the ride in the caravan, baby? Town and country.
It's nice. I had no idea I was gonna look so good just then. And I do.
Thrilla Life, baby. Gotta be ready at any times. Guys, it's raining a bit today. Don't let it get you down. Kurt, words of inspiration, what are they?
You gotta get after it, so get after it.
You gotta get after it, so get after it. Let's get after it.
In here straight getting it. Nico behind me, row your boat. Conditioning. Curtis calm, getting it. We in here, baby. Add strength and conditioning. The grind don't stop, sweat it out. In here getting it. What'd you think, Nick?
Sweat it out.
Sweat it out, baby. Hey, Nico, we got more conditioning, bro. Battle ropes, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Sandy on the grind right here. Oh, pull it. Yes. Kong's crushing it. Yep, that's him right there. Let's go. Thrilla Nation! I'm live here at CoreLife Eatery, where I'll be doing a live stream on their Facebook page for how to fuel a Ferrari, how an athlete should be eating. Swipe up if you're interested, if you're health conscious, or if you're an athlete. Tune in. I'm here with marketing manager of CoreLife, Megan Camp. Hey, Meg. Gonna be doing the, what are we calling it?
CoreLife lesson.
CoreLife lesson, how to fuel a Ferrari. Pretty excited. Let's do it. Well, I'm here. We're gonna be going live soon. This is the backdrop. That's a good looking guy. Make sure you tune in. CoreLife Eatery Facebook page. Talking everything from lacrosse, nutrition, exercise, diet, everything. So tune in. Sectional champs right here. Vestal. Vestal, baby. Here we go. Taking all bets. Let's go. Well, that was a day and a half. Awesome time at the CoreLife Eatery seminar. Right now, Chrome Rome, Curtis Kong, watching the Celtics game.
Celtics.
Rome's a big Celtics fan. Rome, give him a quick rundown.
We're up 84-77. First time since leading 3-2 in the first. After a little bit. Let's go.
Let's go. You heard it here first. We're here with Curtis Kong, filming the vlog live. Kong, you sleeping again? Kong, wake up. Oh, yeah. We hear vlog. Yeah. Could have finished watching this game. And tomorrow, Workout Wednesday. Tune in, the live. The 3 live. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. on Facebook. Guys, check out my CoreLife Eatery seminar if you want to get jacked.
Yeah, happy.
See you happy? Happy? Till tomorrow. Peace.